Joe here from Stratton St Margaret, Wiltshire, England. Now I be in Weymouth and I be listening to these fantastic bell ringers. How good is that? Look at that there. They're calling the faithful to prayer, aren't they, in this lovely old church. It's just outside Weymouth. Oh, look at this. This is what England's all about. This is what you like about England. Tradition. That's fantastic there. Look at this. I think those bell rings, they're called campanologists or something like that. Might have got it totally wrong, but oh, there they go. They finished it. Well, that was fantastic, wasn't it? Well, they finished for the night. Oh, they're tying up there. They're going home now. Well, how good is that, eh? Oh, you come to England, you come to Weymouth, sunny Dorset, and listen to these bell ringers. They've probably been doing that for centuries and centuries here. That takes you back to a bygone era, but it still happens today. Look at that then. Cheers then, my lovelies. Buck-up Joe from Stratton St Margaret, Wiltshire, England, in Weymouth. Soon enough. That's tremendous.